G'day viewers. Thought we'd pull over and show you a couple of our chickens over here. The Australian chook, the emu. There you go. It's an old saying, hope your chooks turn into emus and kick your dunny door in. Well, that's them. There's the old man up the top back there. The two juvies here, they just come walking right up to the fence to see my daughter Caitlin, who filmed her a bit. And yeah, I saw him pulled over, and there was a rabbit in the bush right next to us when we pulled up. That took off. Feral European rabbit, of course. These are native birds to Australia. Flightless birds. Member of the cassowary, emu, ostrich, and the rock or roe, or whatever it is, little short things anyway, pygmy ones. But there they go. We didn't speak or anything, not that far away from them. You know, the fence post is just there, right in front of us. They were, the rabbit was scratching around over there. I don't know if you can see that. Nice fresh dirt. And they're just out cruising. Thank you very much. Catch you up the road. Hooroo. Peace.